Where are you taking us today, man?
I have no idea.
What the hell?
I'm lost again.
You're like a lost sheep without a shepherd, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, so we're all going to be...
So I'm Ron with Off-Road Overland Camping, and this is Leslie.
The Scout. The Scout.
Today we're planning on doing the Salt Tram Trail.
Yeah.
Which is this, but I just found out it's washed out.
Well, we're in Jeeps, right?
So we can see. So our motto is don't be a pussy.
Well, I didn't bring my shirt today, so...
Good enough.
I don't know. I might puss out.
It's all right. Scenario, if all this is a wash out, maybe we'll head over to Scenic Valley Hot Springs and go in the hot springs and take a dip.
The skinny dipping in the hot springs.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that's a very good visual or not, but...
Well, it is.
Well, you think it's washed out for us?
I don't know. We'll see.
Are you afraid?
When was that? You know?
He did say that if it looks really gnarly, he'd turn around.
I'm going to be crying and wanting my mommy. I'm telling you that. You know.
If it gets really gnarly, I would too.
Yeah.
Ordinarily, I'd just get out and walk.
We'll just be crying together. You know. Are you ready to go up the Swansea Cerro Gordo grade? I may have to cut that out in post. Talking about washed out areas.
2.5 miles up the road.
Okay, let's go slow.
Probably videoing the place going forward.
See what happens. So far, not too bad. The road is significantly narrowing here. A sharp turn.
A little bit of space so that kids can turn around.
So we're getting into some really quite interesting section. Thank God for high clearance and a capable vehicle so far. Hopefully that holds true for the duration. Oh man, this is pretty nasty. I'd say this is a little bit of an advanced section here, but we're handling it pretty good. Thank God for the sway bar. Let's go have a look. Good.
This is like a Toyota trail, man. I think the Toyota guys are good about coming through here, but this is pretty easy.
Yeah, I think we can.
Do all that.
Well, what is it around? We better go hike around the corner.
Man, last time I came through here,
Was it smooth like butter?
show me what's going on.
If nothing else, I'll get a little bit of exercise. Whew. Yeah. Huh. Shape.
That's it?
Well,
That's the washout part?
I don't know. Is it 2.5 miles?
No, I can't remember.
Thunder, what do you think? Should we do it?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do it.
All right. Are we gonna be pussies if we don't try it?
What the fuck?
You want to see my ass?
Yeah.
All right, here comes Ron. Ron Channels of Off-Road Overland Camping. What do you have to say?
So easy.
Is it a piece of cake?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You're in no hurry.
I know.
You're gonna take a digger.
That's pretty easy, right?
Oh yeah, way easy.
Did you enjoy that? Hey, so we're going up kind of a gnarly little section. So far, so good. So far, so good.
top up there. Oh, nice. That's one of the,
Okay, let's go slow and steady.
they got gold.
Fuck.
It goes all the way to the top. Wait till we get up here.
Bottomed out.
Here, I think so. I'm going to trip with us when we get up here. Yeah, I've done this one.
Okay, going up the dry waterfall. Looks like it's going pretty good. Okay, another gnarly section, all pure rock, but it's pretty stable, so if I go slow and I go steady, I think we'll be okay. I'm gonna go this way. Okay, looking good.
Okay back there? Leave a little bit of a gap, bro.
All right. Okay, we did it. All right. Oh wow, look at that nice steep grade up ahead. Continuing, we're going down a little bit.
Directions.
We're kind of in a little bit of a river.
Thank you for joining us.
Stop doing that.
From here too.
Crap.
Why are you so scared, Ron? Forward, please. So this spot here, as I remember, it's a little bit off camber, I think.
I've caught up to the guys. Ron's in the front, Rob is behind him, and then I'm in the middle. Look that bad, actually. I think I've been on much worse than this. We're only at about a see Ron going up there. Looking pretty good. I just hope we don't get punctured on the sharp rock. So we're all doing good. Or doing well, I should say. Pretty good. I think he's a pretty experienced driver, so. Oh, all right.
Great.
Is that great?
Yeah. Debbie's actually enjoying it.
Really? You're not.
Nervous, but
You're not
but
crying and wanting your mommy.
No, not
Good job. Oh, look at the
No.
view. Look at the view there.
That's what makes me want my mommy.
Oh my God! Look at that. I got to get a picture of that. Oh, that's cool. We're getting up.
Yeah.
What we all did really was we did great.
Yeah.
We don't even need spotters. You know, if you had a Toyota, you forget it.
Just point and go.
I don't think a Toyota could get through that very easily.
That'd be pretty tough.
I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, but we have a nice reflection off the water here, way down below. Kind of a cool area right here. It's a little bit of a flat area before we enter the canyon toward the Burgess Mine, which is probably toward the top of this little mountain. I'm not sure what kind of trees they might be, like pine trees, I guess. I just don't want to. It's really narrow. Okay. I might try putting my mount on when we have a little lunch break, spend a little time, so I don't have to actually hold the camera. That's really annoying to have to steer and do camera work at the same time. That's what's happening, Ron. What? Are we gonna let them go through?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Fun?
Yeah, we're coming from where you guys are going.
Oh, Cerro Gordo.
Oh, retired, dude. You should get their number.
Oh man, I can do whatever the hell I want. I'm retired too.
Cool.
All right. The road's pretty good, right? To go get to Cerro Gordo?
It's not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, and boy, you got the right setup.
Oh, I'm styling.
I bought the first Rubicon that ever came out was a 2-door.
Oh, man,
Only thing I didn't like, it didn't have enough room in it. But as far as getting around, I wish I had it.
You guys are studs, man. All right. All right.
What time is it?
If we would have done left, that would be the Burgess Mine. We're going right. That's the Salt Tram.
Happy hour. I could use a drink.
No problemo. I can always come back some other time. Look at that. Saline Valley. Look at that white area. Look at that. That's amazing. How amazing is that? Okay, this is kind of a cool area. We can see both sides. There's a bird enjoying the ridge soaring. Look at that. There's left and right. We can see both ways. Okay, we're approaching the Salt Tram from below. And valley, that valley to the right. To the left there is, and there it is. The famous Salt Tram. Stop! Oh, fuck. How'd that, son of a bitch. Come on. Come on. Let's go have a look at the Salt Tram. So what do you think of this? Look at that Mount Whitney's right there. I've never been on this. No, I've never.
Never been here?
Never been, no.
All
All right.
Sierra Gorda, you're probably going to want to walk around that whole thing there.
All right, good dog.
That whole thing out. Once you're done with that, then we'll go to the next one.
You are a good dog.
I'm a professional. I've been doing this for 8 years.
Yeah.
Is that on?
Of course it's on. Why am I going to sit there like it better be on? Yes.
I turned my...
Oh, wow, you can see the other tram stations below. This is cool. This is effing cool. Yeah. Really cool. We are studs to be making it up here.
The crossboards as much as possible.
I don't know, dude. I guess it's not. They're not that weak, are they? That's right. No, I'm going this way. Fuck that. I'm a pussy. Okay, that's why you never gave me a pussy. You never get. That's why I don't get that shirt. He had to make his own shirt. I had to buy my own shirt. You can take a little nap there. That'd be awesome. All right, let's go check out the cabin in all its glory right there. Next here, these old cans. What it was anyway, though. This is kind of like a bunkhouse, isn't it? I could see.